Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a candle by just using water. We are not using wax in this candle. You can use this as your science experiments in school. Okay, let's start. First of all, we'll take a glass with some water. We'll take a lid, vase lid. We'll take oil, matchstick, some cotton and a scissor. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will take one glass with some water and we will cut this lid into a circle. After this, we will make a hole in this slit. We can make that hole by using warm needle. हम किसी भी सुई को गर्म करके इसमें होल कर सकते हैं. Now we will put this cotton in this hole. After putting inside this hole, we'll take our water and we'll put some coconut oil in this water. As coconut oil starts floating above this water, we'll put this lid with cotton in this water. Now put some oil on this above this cotton. So now let's burn this candle. So our candle with water is ready. You can put some watercolors inside this to make it a colorful candle. Okay, let's try this candle. Thank you. Bye bye.